Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the issue status 400 error bad request in Postman. So there are two solutions for this. First is checking the header. So this not only works in Postman, even in case if you're having a front-end code and you're hitting the back-end API. Just check the header and make sure that you're having this content type application / JSON. This is the important thing because we are sending it as a JSON. Okay, so make sure that you're also having that in your Postman request. And another important thing is you need to check the JSON that you are sending. So go here, go to your body, or in case if you're having a front-end code or any other thing from you're sending the JSON, you must make sure that the last value in the JSON doesn't have a comma. Okay, so this gets highlighted in Postman, but in case if you have a front-end code or something, this won't get highlighted at all. If you put a comma here, it could throw an error. So remove that, and also make sure that your key has double quotes in it. So like this. So your key value must have double quotes to it, and numbers doesn't want to have double quotes. And if you go like this, your string should also have double quotes. So you must check the JSON structure, and once you repair it and correct it, you won't be getting any errors. So these are the two solutions. This applies for your front-end code also, and if you have any other queries, you can comment down. I'd be glad to help you out and read it. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of thread operations in PostgreSQL, MongoDB, MySQL with Spring Boot, Node.js, Flask, and AI APIs and tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.